If you're in need of a simple, quick and pretty straightforward dinner, this shrimp and bell pepper stir fry should be your new go-to. Made in just under 20 minutes, the shrimps are simmered with bell peppers, garlic, and seasoned with soy sauce, lemon and orange juice alongside other basic seasonings. Can be served over pasta, rice, boiled potatoes, or can just be eaten as it is. You may be wondering why I'm cutting my bell peppers this big. It is just because bell peppers have a tendency to soften quickly once they hit a hot pan, and I don't want that for this recipe. So with these slices, it's going to cook for long years, but it's still going to maintain its crunch. So guys, I need your help here. I bought this skillet not up to a month ago, and after frying plums in it, I noticed I could not take off the stains. And if I wash it really hard with an iron sponge, I know I'm going to take off that top coat and hence ruin the pan. Please, if you have an idea of how I can get rid of the stain, just leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll do well to give you feedback on if it worked or not.